I have some fantastic news that will astound you. Are you ready? This is it. Your life is going to take an amazing turn if you just commit 30 seconds a day to this effective prayer method. In just 30 days, you won't believe the positive changes that will occur. But there's a catch. If you decide to disregard these actions, then get ready to manifest through your prayers the exact opposite. This method is derived from Neville Goddard's teachings, which I can assure you is quite effective. Neville Goddard says, when you pray, enter into your closet. Now, hold on a second, he's not talking about your wardrobe, he's actually referring to something much deeper. He is inviting us to transcend the confines of our external realities. This counsel is an invitation to access the profound inner sanctum. The kingdom of heaven resides within us. It requires a deliberate act of disconnecting from the restrictions imposed by our immediate surroundings and, crucially, tuning out the distractions that stem from our five senses. Once again, it's about shutting the door on the distractions of your five senses. Imagine this: you close the door to your imaginary closet, blocking out the outside world's distractions and constraints. And you enter the sensation of your prayer already coming to pass in that hallowed place. It's all about losing yourself in the idea that your wish has already been granted. At that point, the universe begins to grant your requests. Neville shows us that prayer is about more than just asking for what we want, it's also about getting ready to receive it. The Bible states, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you will receive it, and you will have it, in Mark 11 verse 24. These are words that we've all heard before, but we may not be aware of their full significance. So let's dissect it. Aligning your thoughts, emotions, and consciousness with the intended result is the essence of prayer. You see, it's not just about using cutesy phrases, it's also about fostering an expectant and believing mindset. Furthermore, what do you know? This is scientifically proven, not just spiritual wisdom or a lesson from the Bible. Let me explain. The observer effect is a mind-blowing concept. Scientists have found that our observation and consciousness affect reality at the subatomic level. Isn't that incredible? Here's a quick prayer method you can try now. Begin by expressing your thankfulness. Say, I'm grateful that you listened to me and granted me all of my dreams. Feel that appreciation in your soul. And after that, picture it with a particular desire in mind. Your life will never be the same if you follow through on this regularly and dedicate just 30 seconds each day to practicing this prayer technique. There's a reason you're watching this video. Perhaps you've been praying for a certain thing, or perhaps there are things you've wanted but seem unachievable. Prepare yourself, because this method has the power to change everything. But first, let's get things going by clicking the like button and posting a comment below. Remember and never forget this. You are the subatomic creator of your reality. Let's begin with Neville Goddard's most well-known saying. Assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled. What is the true meaning of that? It's about really feeling, deep down, what it is that you truly want. It will eventually surface in your life if you carry it within your own emotions. You have the ability to affect reality at the subatomic level with your consciousness. Isn't that incredible? Now let's put this into practice with a quick 30-second prayer technique. Are you ready? Let's get started. Start by saying, and I mean this precisely, thank you for listening to me, thank you for providing me with all I could ever ask for: money, love, relationships, businesses, health, and happiness. I have everything, and I'm so thankful. Repeat this affirmation a few times until you truly feel its spirit. And now it's time to incorporate your unique desires into the mix. Ow! creating a mental image of it in your own mind. Here is a quick tip to increase its potency even further. Take a picture and print it out to symbolize your dream. It might be your ideal home, a comfortable cabin, your ideal vehicle, lovely relationships, or even excellent health. When you sit down for this practice, hold that photo in your hand or on your lap. Go ahead and close your eyes if you can visualize everything clearly. Visualize the printed photo on your mental screen. However, if you find it difficult to visualize, don't worry, just keep your eyes open and concentrate on a piece of paper. Pretend, this is my dream cabin, I'm looking directly at it, taking it all in. Let's repeat the prayer together. Say this after me: thank you for listening to me, thank you for providing everything I want, prosperity, relationships, businesses, love, health, and happiness. I already have it all, and I'm thankful for it all. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now picture yourself and the universe engaging in a game of body language. Imagine this: everything in the universe is waiting impatiently for you to get ready so that you can fulfill your dreams. So, if you knew that your dreams were coming true, how would you act? I mean, you'd be grinning? You would be ecstatic, content, and full of thanks. You'd say to the universe, thank you. Put on a big, beautiful smile and look at your dream photos while you repeat the prayer. Utilizing the power of body language, let's send a message to the universe that we're open to receiving it by grinning from ear to ear and feeling joy and happiness. Remember that more is given to those who possess more. The observer effect is crucial. Let's now focus on your posture. Maintain a straight posture and a neutral spine. Your spine is the energy tunnel that connects you to your dreams and serves as a portal to the universe. For a brief moment, let your shoulders drop, your feet feel firmly planted on the ground, and your head rise. Friends, feel confident. You're prepared to welcome the plenty that is coming your way. Do you sense it? You deserve to feel fantastic right now, so I hope you are. Your beliefs and body language set the stage for you to achieve your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Remember, you have the power to manifest your desires. You are capable of making your dreams come true. Never forget that. Try this technique out and write them down in the comments section below. I promise you, these prayers will transform your life forever. For now, it's time for me to keep smiling and keep believing. Until next time, my friends, peace out.